get it going?
Oh. Turn the cylinders on.
Nathan,
Yes, sir.
you ever feel like you're being watched?
Ha. It's all right. I'm starting to get used to it. It's lovely. Turn that the other way.
She just wants to show how much you do around here.
Might get that square on there again. Sometimes it's a quick thing of the malfunction.
That brake stuff is a craft in all its own, isn't it?
Yeah, and sometimes you do something 3 times to get it lined up. It's good in there.
Thanks for the cooler.
What?
It's cooler. Thanks for
Yeah.
the cooler. It's cool.
Get in there. Stay where it's supposed to go. Make it turn. I'm just in the wrong position. Just in the wrong position.
Looks good.
She's got a piece of rusty metal.
Right?
Put it up the seam, and now I'm gonna weld it in.
Looks legit, man.
Looks legit, doesn't it?
That was great.
Legit.
It's great. Least amount of cuts. And let's go. Right? I'm not butcher like some other people do their cars.
Stop that guy.
Do you want me to clean up my tools over there, bud?
No, if it's time,
It's
no.
about 10 to. So,
Clean up a little bit, yeah. Clean up a little bit. You don't have to clean everything. You might clean up, yeah, till the time. Sure. That'd be good. Fantastic.
windshield's out.
All right, you got it.
Yeah.
You got the back window too. Yeah, you did, yeah. Well, other than that, I've got to do 50. Sometimes it's hard to slow down for that. That stuff.
Oh, hear the cows coming.
You really have to, what can I say, live around a few crows to know why somebody recalls somebody. You old crow. Like, you know what I mean?
That's
You
right.
get that meaning, what that means, to listen to them, like, wow. That's
Right.
what an old crow is.
Good old crow.
You know what I'm saying?
There is a proper tube for this too. Adjusters will be seized up. Move this up and move on. That's going this way.
Nathan,
Yes, sir.
have you done thousands of brake jobs?
Done lots and lots and lots of pictures.
Lots and lots of them.
Them's the brain spot.
And it all depends, you know,
Okay.
there's the brakes, yeah.
Are they really that important?
Brakes are important, yeah.
Couldn't all do it like Flintstones.
What's that? Like split stands, yeah.
They're all go off it that way.
Then you got Converse or DC brakes. We don't have the self-adjusting hooked up on it. Leave them like that for now. We can readjust them after the blade. Alright, so we want to see all of the self-adjustments. Spreader bar. Save that. We didn't put the emergency brake stuff in, so emergency brake and the spreader bar for the emergency brake. We'll save all that for later. Self-adjusting. Save that stuff. Garbage. Got a piece going. So just looking. What else we get, anybody? Is that just tools I left over there?
Yeah, no, just your stuff's not over there, 2 cases.
Hey, here it is.
Here you be. What I'm doing with my glove, I'm just rubbing it over top of the weld, taking some of the heat away that I just fit onto it. And I can take the heat away, put more on it. You can take the heat, put blowing on it, or I can take my glove and put it on top of it and take some of the heat. Try your leather glove and try it. It holds heat quite well. Just filling it up a little bit. So if I want to grind it off and make it look nice, I'm going to be able to. That's why I'm putting that weld on it. Rub it with my glove to take the heat away from the weld. I repeat things because some people don't hear it the first time. And I take quite a bit to understand myself.